everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Bo English Channel, where learning English is fun, easy, and real. I'm Anna. We're so happy to have you with us today, whether you are listening in the morning, the afternoon, or the evening.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be with you all today. I'm Tom, and I am very happy to be here. I always enjoy these moments when we can slow down, talk together, and practice real English.
I'm happy you are here too. Tom, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. Days like this always put me in a good mood. How about you, Anna?
I'm very well, thank you. I feel calm and relaxed, and I'm also excited for our topic today. It's something we all do, and something you can practice very easily in real life.
Ooh, that sounds interesting. When you say everyone does it, I'm already curious. What are we talking about?
Today, we are going to talk about the supermarket. Yay!
Ah, the supermarket. Yes, that is a very useful topic. We all need to buy food, drinks, and everyday items, so this is perfect for English learners.
Exactly. We will talk about the words and phrases you can use when you go shopping for groceries. These are simple expressions, but they are very important in daily life.
That's a fantastic idea. But before we begin our shopping trip, we have a small request for our amazing listeners.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcast, please take a moment to subscribe to Mr. Bo English Channel. It helps us a lot and allows us to continue making helpful content for you.
And don't forget to give this episode a like and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Learning together is always more fun.
Your support is wonderful. Okay, Tom, are you ready to go to the supermarket?
I am ready. I even have my shopping list. I like to be prepared before I go shopping.
A shopping list. That is very organized. I always make a list too. It helps me remember everything and also helps me stay focused.
Me too. Without a list, I forget the milk or the bread, and then I have to go back to the store again.
So, what is on your list today, Tom?
Let me see. I need some fruit, I need apples and bananas, and I need some yogurt.
Okay, fruit and yogurt. A healthy choice. That's a great way to start your shopping.
I try. Eating well makes me feel better. What about your list, Anna?
My list is a little longer. I need milk, eggs, and bread. I also need some chicken for dinner tonight, and maybe some carrots.
Chicken and carrots sound delicious for dinner. That sounds like a warm and healthy meal. Okay, so we have our lists. Let's imagine we are at the supermarket now.
Perfect! We walk in through the big glass doors. The store is bright, clean, and a little busy. What is the first thing we need, Tom?
Well, we need something to put our food in. We need a shopping cart or a shopping basket.
Yes, exactly. A shopping cart is the big one with wheels. You push it as you walk around the store.
And a shopping basket is the small one. You carry it with your hand.
Which one do you want today, Tom? Your list is short.
A basket is good for me today. I only need 3 things. What about you, Anna?
My list is longer. I need a cart. I will push the big shopping cart.
Good idea. Okay, you have your cart and I have my basket. Where do we go first? Let's get your fruit first. The fruit and vegetable section is usually near the entrance.
Oh, yes, I see it. It's very colorful. Lots of reds, greens, and yellows. It always feels fresh here.
It is. So your list says you need apples.
Yes. Ah, look, the apples are right here. There are red apples and green apples.
Which ones do you prefer? I like the red apples. They are sweet. The green apples are a little sour.
I like red apples too. How many apples do you need?
I think 4 apples will be good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the apples are in my basket.
Great. Now what's next on your list?
I need bananas. Where are the bananas?
Let's look. Ah, I see them. They're over there next to the oranges.
Oh, yes, I see. I see a big bunch of bananas. They look very fresh.
They do. Some are yellow and some are a little green.
I like the yellow ones. They are ready to eat. I will take this bunch. 4 bananas.
Perfect. So you have your apples and your bananas. Your fruit is done.
Yes, that was easy. Now let's look at your list, Anna.
Okay, I need carrots. Carrots are vegetables, so they should be here too.
Let's see. Carrots. Found them. They are next to the potatoes.
Ah, great job, Tom. These look nice and orange. I will get a bag of carrots.
Excellent. So fruits and vegetables are done. What is the next section?
Well, I need milk and eggs, and you need yogurt. These are things we usually buy often, so this is very good vocabulary to know. Where do we find those things?
I know this one. We need to go to the dairy section. It's usually at the back of the store, so let's walk there together.
That's right. Let's walk to the back. As we walk, we can see many aisles on the left and right, full of different products. Ooh, it's getting a little cold.
Yes, the dairy section is always cold. Brr. All the refrigerators are here to keep the food fresh.
Okay, I see the milk. There are many different kinds. Big cartons and small cartons. There is so much choice sometimes.
Do you need a big carton or a small one?
I think a big carton of milk. My family drinks a lot of milk with cereal in the morning, so a big one is better for us.
Good choice. Okay, milk is in the cart. Now eggs.
The eggs are right next to the milk. That makes it easy. Perfect. I need a dozen eggs.
A dozen is 12, right?
Yes, exactly. 1 dozen is 12 eggs, and a half dozen is 6 eggs. These numbers are very useful when you shop.
Ah, okay. A dozen eggs. Here you go. Be careful with them.
Thank you, Tom. I will put them in the cart gently so they don't break. Now it's your turn. You need yogurt.
Yes, the yogurt is here too. Wow, there are so many flavors. Strawberry, blueberry, vanilla. Sometimes it's hard to choose.
Which one is your favorite?
I love strawberry yogurt. It's sweet and refreshing. I will get 2 small pots of strawberry yogurt.
Yum, that sounds good. Strawberry yogurt is very popular.
Okay, our dairy shopping is finished. That was easy and fast.
Great. Let's look at the lists again so we don't forget anything. What is next?
My list says bread.
Ah, bread. That means we need to find the bakery section.
I love the bakery section. It always smells so good when you walk by.
Me too. The smell of fresh bread is the best. I can smell it now, even before we get there.
Let's follow the good smell.
Here we are. Look at all the bread. There are so many choices.
There are loaves of bread, bread rolls, and even cakes and cookies. Everything looks delicious.
It really does. But I just need 1 loaf of white bread for sandwiches.
This one looks soft and fresh. Here you go.
Thank you, Tom. In the cart it goes. Oh, wait. Look at those chocolate cookies.
They look very good. Should we get some? It's not on the list, but maybe just a small treat.
Maybe just a small bag of cookies. Sometimes it's nice to treat yourself.
I think that's a great idea. Let's get the cookies.
Yay! Okay, cookies are in the cart. Now I have to be serious again. Let's check my list. What is next on my list?
Let me see. It says chicken, right?
Right, chicken for dinner. So we need to go to the meat section, or the meat counter. The meat counter is usually next to the dairy section at the back of the store.
Let's go. Here we are. This is the meat counter. There is a person working behind the counter, ready to help customers.
Yes, we can ask them for what we need. This is a great chance to practice polite English.
I will say, "Hello, can I please have 2 chicken breasts?"
That's a perfect way to ask. It's polite and clear, and the word please is very important.
And the person will say, "Of course." Then they will weigh the chicken and wrap it for me.
There we go. Now I have the chicken for dinner. Fantastic. Is that everything on your list, Anna?
Let me check. Milk, eggs, bread, chicken, carrots. Yes, that's everything on my list.
And I have my apples, bananas, and yogurt. So our lists are complete.
Yes, but wait, I have an idea. I am a little thirsty from all this shopping.
Me too. Walking around the supermarket can make you thirsty. We should get something to drink.
Let's go to the drinks aisle.
Good idea. An aisle is the long path between the shelves in a supermarket. You often hear numbers like aisle 1, aisle 2, and so on.
That's right. Aisle 1, aisle 2.
Let's find the drinks aisle. Ah, here it is. Aisle 7. There are so many choices here.
Wow, look at all the drinks. There's water, juice, soda, and many other options.
I would like some juice. Orange juice sounds good today.
Okay, here is a carton of orange juice for you. I'm just going to get a big bottle of water.
Water is always a good choice. It's simple and healthy.
Okay, now I think we have everything on our lists and a little extra too.
I think so too. So where do we go now?
We have to pay for our food. We need to go to the checkout.
Exactly. The checkout is at the front of the store. Let's walk back to the front together.
Look, there are a few checkout lines open. Some lines are for many items, and some are express lines for only a few items.
The express line is for people with 10 items or less. You have a basket, Tom, so you can use the express line.
Oh, that's right, but I will wait with you. You have a big cart, and it's nice to stay together.
Thank you, Tom. That's very kind. Okay, this line is not too long. Let's wait here.
Now it's our turn. We put our items on the conveyor belt.
Yes, I'll put my milk, eggs, bread, chicken, carrots, cookies, and water on the belt.
And I'll put my apples, bananas, yogurt, and orange juice on the belt.
The cashier is ready for us.
Hello.
Hello, how are you today?
We are great, thank you.
Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, we did. Thank you for asking.
Beep, beep, beep. Okay, your total is $3,245.
Okay, can I pay with the card?
Yes, of course. Cash or card is fine. You can insert your card into the machine here.
Perfect. I'll put my credit card in.
Beep.
It's done.
Thank you. Would you like a bag for your groceries?
Oh, yes, please. I forgot my bags today. 2 bags, please.
Paper or plastic?
Plastic bags are fine. Thank you.
Okay, here are your groceries in 2 bags, and here is your receipt. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much. You too. Goodbye.
Wow, Tom, that was a perfect checkout conversation.
Thank you, Anna. You're a very good cashier.
It was fun, and now we have all our food. We can go home.
Yes, a successful shopping trip. We practiced a lot of useful English today.
Yes, a successful shopping trip. We practiced a lot of useful English today, and all of it comes from a very normal daily activity.
We really did. We talked about a shopping list, a shopping cart, and a shopping basket. These are words you see and hear all the time in a supermarket.
And we also talked about all the different sections of the store: the fruit and vegetable section, the dairy section, the bakery, and the meat counter.
Yes, and we used important words like aisle and checkout. We also practiced asking for things politely, which is very important in English.
That's right. Saying please and thank you is so important. It makes every conversation more friendly and polite.
It really does. Now, Anna, what if we can't find something in the supermarket? What can we say?
That's a great question. We can find a store employee and say, "Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?" "Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?" That sentence is very clear and very polite.
And the employee will help you. They might say, "It's in aisle 4."
Ah, yes. So don't be afraid to ask for help. People are usually very nice and happy to help.
Exactly. Practice is the most important part of learning English. Going to the supermarket is great practice because you see words everywhere.
Yes, you see the words on the signs, on the shelves, and on the products. And you can have small conversations.
You can talk about what you want to buy. For example, "I want some red apples," or "I need a loaf of bread."
And you can talk about quantity too. A dozen eggs, a bottle of water, a bag of carrots. You made some really good points today, Tom.
Thank you, Anna. I hope our listeners found this episode helpful and easy to follow.
I'm sure they did. It was fun to imagine the whole shopping trip, from making a list at home to paying at the checkout.
It really was. And now I'm a little hungry thinking about all that food.
Me too. I'm ready to eat my strawberry yogurt.
And I'm ready to think about cooking that chicken and carrots for dinner. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode for today. We had so much fun with you all.
We did, and we want to say a huge thank you for listening to Mr. Bo English Channel.
Before you go, please remember to subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
And if you liked our trip to the supermarket, please give us a thumbs up and share this with your friends and family. We also love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below.
For today's question, tell us, what is one thing you always buy at the supermarket?
Ooh, that's a fun question. I'm excited to read the answers. My one thing is always coffee.
Ah, good one. Mine is probably cheese. I love cheese.
Great answer. Okay, everyone, that's all for now. Keep practicing your English.
And remember, learning can be easy and fun. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye, everyone. Take care.